In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to write a persuasive sales page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide Claude to produce compelling headlines, clear benefits, persuasive copy, and strong calls to action that help visitors buy or sign up. Start by opening Claude AI in your browser or desktop app. Once it's open, look to the left sidebar and click New Chat. This gives you a fresh workspace tailored to your project so the conversation stays focused on your sales page. In the message box labeled Reply, type a clear prompt explaining that you want Claude to write a sales page. Set the stage with the essentials Claude needs to do a great job: the product or service name, the target audience and the main problem your product solves, the key benefits and features, and your price or any special offer. The more specific you are, the better the output. If you can, include real outcomes, a short description of what makes your solution different, and any time-limited deal details that add urgency. Next, tell Claude how you want the page structured. Ask it to include an attention-grabbing headline, a concise problem statement, a short introduction to your product or service, a clear breakdown of key benefits and features, social proof or testimonials, and a strong call to action. Giving Claude this outline helps it organize the copy in a way that's easy for visitors to scan and understand. When your prompt looks complete, press Enter to generate the sales page content. Claude will draft the full page using your details and the structure you requested. Take a moment to read it from top to bottom like a first-time visitor would, paying attention to the headline's hook, whether the problem feels urgent and relatable, and if the benefits are obvious and vivid. Now refine. Ask Claude to make the copy more persuasive by sharpening the headline, adding emotional language where appropriate, and strengthening the value proposition. If any sentences feel dense, ask it to simplify the language for better readability while keeping the message intact. If the benefits or testimonials feel thin, ask Claude to expand those sections with clearer outcomes, credible specifics, or story-style snippets that build trust. Repeat this review and refine cycle until the page feels tight, convincing, and easy to skim. When you're satisfied, you've used Claude to turn your raw details into a polished, conversion-focused sales page that's ready to publish.